Good morning, students. A power 0 is equal to 1, a power minus 1 is equal to 1 by a, and a power 1 is equal to a. A power x into a power y. Here bases are equal, power should be adding a power x plus y. A power x divided by a power y is equal to a power x into denominator sent to numerator. You will get a power minus y. Now again here bases are equal, power should be added. We get a power x minus y. Next, a power m whole power n. This is, we can write a power mn. This is, we can write another way also, a power n whole power m. Okay, a power m whole power n. This is not equal to a power m power n. A power m power n. Okay, these two are not equal. Next, I am going to another formula, a power x into b power x. Here observe that the powers are equal, bases we want to multiply. That means ab whole power x. A power x divided by b power x. This is, we can write a by b whole power x. Okay, these are exponential formulas. Now, roots related, root a into root b. This is already you know very well, root ab. Root a divided by root b, that is under root a by b. These are the formulas. Already you know very well, but once again I am discussed. Another one. Now this is a plus b whole power 0. Anything power 0, that should be 1. A plus b whole power 1. So what we get? That is a plus b. A plus b whole square. How to write? A plus b whole square. How to write that? Those are formulas. Now here see that a plus b whole square. We can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here in front of a square, what is there? Only 1. Only 1. Here ab coefficient is 2. B square coefficient is 1. How we are getting these coefficients? By using Pascal triangle. You know the Pascal triangle? Pascal triangle. By using this triangle, so they are defined a plus b whole power 0, a plus b whole power 1, a plus b whole square, a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole power 4, like that. Now see the Pascal triangle. 1, 1, 1. Ends always write 1 only. 1. 1 plus 1, that is 2. 1. 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. This is 1. 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. Now this is 1. Here observe that the coefficient should be 1. Here a plus b is there. A coefficient is 1 and here b coefficient also 1. 1 comma 1. That is 1, 1. But a plus b whole square, observe that a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is 1, 2, 1. Now we want to write a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube. That means observe here, this is binomial expansion. Binomial means an expansion consisting of two terms is called binomial expansion. An expansion consisting of three terms is called trinomial expansion. How to expand this? Now the first term power is going to decreasing. The second term power is going to increasing. Now see here, a plus b whole cube formula already we know that a cube plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. Here observe that the first term is a. The power is going to decreasing, see, a cube, a square, a power 1, next a power 0. But second term, b power 0, b power 1, b square, b cube. Here observe that coefficients, a cube coefficient is 1, here 3, here is 3, b cube coefficient also 1. Finally, what are the coefficient here? 1, 3, 3, 1. This are 1, 3, 3, 1. Now, by observing Pascal triangle, tell me what is a plus b whole power 4. See the coefficients. These are the coefficients we want to use now. 1 into a power 4 plus 4 into a cube. One is decreasing means automatically another one is going to increase. Plus after 4 what is it? 6. 6 a square into b square plus 4 is there. 4 into a b cube. And last one b power 4. Here observe that powers. Here is a power 4. Here 3 and 1. 3 plus 1 4. 2 plus 2 4. 1 plus 3 4. Here 4. The power should be same. Okay. Now 1 4 6 4 1 we got. So how we are writing formula a plus b whole power 4? Students, are you understood now? So up to here, please copy this. After this, write yourself, that is a plus b whole power 5. In Pascal triangle, up to I am written a plus b whole power 4 only. Then how to write remaining terms? See that Pascal triangle 1 plus 4 5, 4 plus 4 6 10, 6 plus 4 10, 4 plus 1 5, last one is 1. Now we can write a plus b whole power 5 formula. A power 5 plus 5 into a power 4 into b power 1 plus 10 into a cube into b square plus 10 into a square into b cube plus 5 into a into b power 4 plus finally b power 5. Here observe that a power coefficient here is 5, here is 4, here is 3, here is 2, here is 1, here is 0. It is going to decreasing. But b power, observe that here not there, that means here b power 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means the first term power is going to decreasing, second term power is going to increasing. But overall, the sum of the powers is 5 only. Students, are you understood how I am writing? So up to here, please copy this. Use chart box. Okay, very good. Thank you. So a plus b whole cube, there are two formulas. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, and a cube plus 3ab into a plus b cube. A cube plus b cube means a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now, by using this, I am going to write a minus b whole cube formula. A minus b whole cube formula, that is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Here observe that by using Pascal triangle only I am writing the coefficients 1, 3, 3, 1, but in between minuses we get the term, first one is positive, second one is negative, positive, negative. That means alternative sign. Okay. Now this is one of the formula. Now here a cube. In these two terms, I am going to take the common minus 3ab. Remaining is a minus b cube. This is another formula. A cube minus b cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. One formula. A cube minus 3ab into a minus b cube. Okay. So here I am going to create some more formula. A cube minus b cube. How to write? A cube minus b cube. We need a cube minus b cube. These term send to left hand side. That means what will come? A minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. So finally, a cube minus b cube formula, a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. This is one formula. Okay. So by using this, we can create another formula. Tell me. So in both the terms, take a minus b common. Remaining is a minus b whole square plus 3ab. Expand a minus b whole square and calculate. Finally, you will get a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So finally, a cube minus b cube. This is another formula. So there are two formulas, a cube minus b cube. One is a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. Another formula is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. These are a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube, a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube formulas. Students, I think all of you understood now. We can apply, no problem. We can apply, no problem. Okay. Next, I am going to write a plus b plus c whole square. Here this is trinomial expansion. So now we can't use that Pascal triangle. That is only for binomial. Trinomial means another one is there. That is no need to discuss now. A plus b plus c whole square formula already you know very well. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. This is the formula. Sometimes they will ask that only a square plus b square plus c square formula. How to write? These terms send to left hand side. That means left hand side already is there. A plus B plus C whole square minus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. This is. So finally, A square plus B square plus C square is equal to A plus B plus C whole square minus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. This is another formula. Okay. Now I am going to write another formula. A plus B minus C, or you can take A minus B plus C whole square formula. How to write? Already yesterday I discussed, but once again, A square plus B square plus C square, this is a common. 2AB, these two, observe that. When we are multiplying these two, first term is positive, second term is negative. Positive into negative, negative. Positive into negative, that is negative. Negative into positive, negative. Negative into negative, positive. Positive into positive, that is positive. The two signs are same in multiplication, you will get positive. Opposite sign means you will get negative. So minus 2AB will come. Next, these two, observe that minus and plus, opposite signs, we get negative, minus 2BC. Now first and last, observe that this is positive and this is also positive. Here will come positive 2CA. Students, finally, are you understood? I think A minus B plus C whole square. Now I am going to give to you only. This is a try yourself. A minus B minus C whole square. This is try yourself. This is try yourself. And time is less than 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, it's automatically disconnect. That's meaning is class is completed. Again, don't post the messages in group. Okay. Now, here one small condition is there. Already you know, I think. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0, A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then what is algebraic condition? A cube plus B cube plus C cube, that is equal to 3ABC. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0, A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. 3ABC. This is one algebraic condition.